Okay, it's shooting.
Okay,
Open it.
open it. Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Taylor Striker, and welcome to another video. Where today, I haven't been in my basement for a long time, and as you can see under me, this isn't a normal table. This is the box that we find everything in. Remember, like the last few times that we found Jason's mask and everything like that? So today, let's see what they have to offer us. By they, I mean the box gods. Pray to the box gods. Alright, let's open it. Okay. Look what we have here, a new laptop. Isn't this just awesome? Well, as you guys can probably see, my old videos on my computer, they have like 1 frame per second, so they're pretty bad. That's why here is the new laptop. It's pretty good looking just by looking at the box covers and everything. But let's just open it up. Oh yeah, I have my good friend, let's call him Wally over here. And what we can do is just slice this thing open with Wally. Dash. Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna peel it open. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a life hack. If you don't have scissors, use a charger. It'll work sometimes. Sometimes. Alright. So now, let's open it up. Come on. There's a little dot. What does that mean? I don't know. But there is a little dot that shows off the word, the letter N. No idea what that's for, but sure. So now let's open this. Oh, that's the keyboard folder. Okay. That's cool. Let's open that up later. Put it over there. And the thing, the monitor, the PC itself, actually, I mean laptop itself is over here. Now let's get it out. Okay, here we go. It's brand new. Looks pretty cool. There's like a foldy thingy which you got over here. In the camera it looks pretty cool and everything like that. And you might be wondering, how is this gonna be faster than that computer? Well, it is just it, alright? That computer is really, really old. It's probably older than any computer can be right now. Even if you buy like those $1 computers, all of those don't really exist, but yeah, that computer is bad. That's what you're probably doing. But let's get back to this laptop over here. And let's see if there's anything else under, what is that? Sounds like there's something in there, so let's open this thing up. Oh! Instructions! Great! Great instructions. Okay, we're gonna read that later. And that is, no, that's not a charger. That looks like a USB. Well, let me see. This looks like some of those things that you could like transport information, or maybe I could use the monitor of that big computer. Yay. Okay, anything else down here? There's this thing, which oh gosh. Oh, okay. Here. Okay. I believe, yep, this is the charger. Boom. Charges. So this means this is actually the charger line. Okay. Cool. Anything else under here? Or is this just paper? Is this just cardboard down here now? Yeah. It's just cardboard. But it's pretty cool. Ooh. Oh, even more cardboard. Great. More cardboard. We love cardboard, don't we? Alright. good decoration, I guess. We don't know what's on that side. But, oh yeah, also, remember how I said that these chargers can open up? This one could work. Alright, so since, we reviewed all of those, let's start, like, making a computer, or like, putting it together. So, first of all, I got this thing over here. It's so loud, and, wow, okay. Cool. Whoa. Okay, so is this foldable? Or what is this? Well, we'll go back to those later, I guess. Alright, so now let's unlock the keyboard so we can attach the things together. And let's just, okay, here's the keyboard. Like any classic old keyboard you'll ever get, this is the keyboard. Okay, so now let's open this area up. Here we go. Oh yeah. So, if I'm correct, see these things, I'm just supposed to mash it with the things under this. You can see that. So, ooh, it has a magnet. It's a magnet that sticks together, I guess. Hooray! So now, well, now I'll just like down some programs, I'll figure something out inside there, and I'll be back soon. So guys, as you can see, the computer works pitch perfectly. I have all my recording softwares down. All over there, and I got Chrome and everything like that. And I also have an editing software right there, like that star thingy. So I'm pretty much ready to use this. But, well, there still will be a few testings, but that's pretty much all there is. I'm really excited for this. That means more Minecraft content, more PC content, a lot of PC content, but whatever. That's it for today's video, and make sure to subscribe for more daily content, or partially daily, almost daily content, and peace.